Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Ebushia for me mamo akwa bashonko epa Too Much GH so muniaba motum for na ama obusua ende na sabre so trending issues are abetoja and amede besto na sani ewo abato premate se yekinka abano aboma yenchen ashredim se easy ede eye abato no won so mabetu do na to bienya no won ti ase no na de beba wo ewo enchen bia no so no se ewuhia oman ntidi ye de beso mo sa akwa no so nti ye gbonra ensem no emu pekope nti ayenya sesia etrese eye National Peace Council sabria minimo edi nkomo mo ti meeting mu atese wo mo ne top officials of the NDC just a woman ni omo edi enkomo edi afa abato no ansankra na easy wa babonte abetretre ensem emu na ntie no ekyerese office omo wo sesi ade the former president John Dramani Mahama office na so onu emu pa de se ono ni peduano JMD woni office obi na so na the running mate and the former boss of national security and at a woman at meeting in the would be a woman account. Now, in the Mono, the Ama News way, I Shoko and say, meeting now, office one dear, but I take the entire meeting, and now someone go share more office one dear and metal diet. Now, so NDC supporters want to be only said that be. Woman here and Jimmy to know back say that be and no one so I don't know. Meeting way as I said, upon the Sabbath say. Now, Obi or I see any no any meeting and can say and NPP among your corner a new patriotic party. One flag bearer, a assistant president Nana Ekufu-Addo. One no any apart from the woman office. Everywhere I meeting me because one more NDC for one now. I found back say. Womu etimi agada womu vote every constituencies I would on the linear say womu 140 seats constituency ni munti there are now majority no majority there monti se majority na say about so the for presidency no ba na to say why na dey extra dey do so ebone kenim say kedu no ko di nkobo ga che say okay say this say asundwe kwatu because please cancel there no make wasem enya asundwe na dey nti say nkomu be omudu obi be di nkoma na nke ekoye NPP abanyeko no na ba ne say eno matumi atwemu afi ho anya bebi ahye woman fi nchenche ahye bebi na to say NDC no modi woman libre and the woman fit to abeto na to say before aba na dey am no woman say pa say woman flag bearer JMN ka meeting because one way more the top until that say no say pepe yo MPM fi election we mu a one no onyi ntum na say one no etimi agada 140 seats na bia tese from all indications some majority e ban the sign ena waka say no nti obe man gas down na the bebe bia waje atunu sa da bi peace council to me sisanya man so mu ofuto bi pa dia eno mu fantu sitting president and na pam for na LPP amanyoko no say na be ya wo mete omo ase no mo de omo che ni so mete bibi na omo te na de omo te no ento asun elfa omo a womo enyintum be kwa bia mu a womo prense easy ene na ado womo mesesa Ghana for womo agentira womo chere through the abaton internet say NDC for womo akogu ye man pedi dada JM officer just womo kobo dump womo ka say womo di atuja eni na say eni je de womo say bi nu womo kra say peace council who be aso womo wa no ba but dey mu yanhwe bibi ade nsem na ho say abatuo no ehun susu aso ba ponta most of time rotation one for be mo very high pa na kra post 2020 efi endra just easy the share 5 PM so obe declare result 8 PM maso ebo saka 3 hours later to say go for try ya me go PM 12:30 obe brief ye kra no kra no be sis abia me no muka say abato no so so men no otumo say Ghana obia adwin ko so be kroma ye din na so nipa adwin pa nipa so sia ye bebre e wo ni trim etini niamu na say peace council say akọ NDC officer that say ya go say one no medi ko say woman into manase woman ya botre ni bibisa na no so de no in other way omo ya ba say gugu na abo mafa muso so did say majority in parliament means a majority vote for them. It is also the Omotia and the Yetina say Adreno and it for Afan Sadina Kobabadi Niamuno. You say Peace Council, General Emma or Mai, as soon as I say, Maya soon be and the Wunyoma, or Makoya and the fifth night say, I will come you no no bet me aka. Aka omafa afana aboma tese asundebe kosa atoma muti so muka so mukosra amaniko NDC no medi go back and mapa mu anu because there are afa we asha say jubilate and afa bakolo so jitum so no so and abaro ekwa no mo de mote so nti se bibia ni a omo de betimi no ma edigo bibia ba ekopɔ de betimi da to omo so but the afa no no be so wo mde ma o jitum so no edi kan no one edi kan de futu command and send yakɔ the hotel so say the beya bibia ni a ti asa yo tuma ba ni niam no woman and the woman say Peace Council no money say no mo hyehyɛ sifate and am so ama wo ma kopie mo our office take a beya ni panya botre and for bo na ni niam no easy pe and betimi declare result na so do declare result na say yan creating ground so say asundwe kwan so and the best result matter say enko ya basa ye and etututu ni mo je shegu ni de keka wo ni ti so mo to na mo we ya na Ghana papa mu and that say wo mo aye ni ti yan dwi Ghana kane ni every Ghana papa mu ansa na se beju amaniko di kan ni o di gugu aya je ho na te say de me kakra no e de aka ho e no wo so a wo hwe dia ne bajo ntwepa efa ensema me di abeto ani mu no momodia na mofa to dwa e we comment section na bia so mo share video we e ma share for on all the social media platform na me can stand no betwi follow ye e we Twitter and your Instagram handles @tumagh_ Facebook so e tumagh na ama owusu a enim di nyame ya duma ye say e di shapim makram.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.